18th of June 2010, and this is going to be the second week of the weekly average videos. I got 19 submissions, including my own, since last week, and all of them have been put into a fancy-dancy spreadsheet, and all of them will be listed in the description under this video, and also in a little slideshow montage kind of thingy in just a second. Second is a few things that I'd like to say about the entries and stuff. All of the ones that I got were awesome. They're in a video, or they were sent to me in a message, or whatever. If for any reason you can't make a video, but you want to participate, like you don't have a camera, for example, then you can just send me the 12 times you got, and send me the average of 12 and your goal, and I will put you in. Just make sure to title the message that you send me with your the week number and the average, just so I know. And but if you do have a camera, I would really like you guys to make a video. And if your videos go over 10 minutes and 50 seconds, which is the limit for non-partners, then all you have to do is either cut out the scrambles, and that will usually get you down to below 1050. And if you need to, you can cut off a few solves just to get it below there. But it would be really awesome if I can get a lot of participation in, and I think 19 people is awesome, but the more the merrier. So a little bit of self-serving crap about myself. Over the past week, as you can tell, I am in a different setting. I am in Las Vegas right now. We are taking my dad here for Father's Day, and so that's sweet. And I have been learning OLLs and stuff. And for this average, I will be using an F2 rather than my normal high-end memory, which I used last week. And I've learned 14 OLLs since then, and I only have 4 left, which are the 4 awkward cases, which I plan on learning sometime within the next few days. But having learned 14 new algorithms, in order to fully learn them, you need to be able to recognize them and perform them quickly in a solve. And so, since I just learned them over the past week, I'm not perfect at using them yet, and so my solves might be a little slower. But that's enough of excuses. Let's get on to the average of 12, which will be starting now.